Hello guys, so good evening from Venkatesh to all of you. Today I am going to show you how we can make a milk before going to sleep. So it is very necessary to drink milk before going to sleep. So it will calm down to us before going to sleep. So the main ingredients in this recipe is milk. You can choose the milk that you want. That is basically buffalo milk, cow milk, camel milk, goat milk, sorry, whatever it is. So now let's take first what we need. We need cup. We need 1 cup. So I took it 1 cup. So I'm a pouring this milk into this cup for measurement. So this is the first cup done. Now I'm not making a milk just for me. I am making a milk also for my mom. Okay, so this is a second term. Okay, go. Sound low. Go. Okay, that's enough. So this is done. Okay, now I have to put it back in the fridge without fail. Okay, yeah, I did it. Then what I have to do? I have to start my induction. That is already started, and I want to put this utensils. Oh, I got it. Okay, this on the this. Okay, so let's begin it. Menu. Why it is not starting? Let me check. Menu started. The flame should be on 500. Okay, so now let me put some chini. It means sugar in the milk. 1, 2 for 2 cups. Okay. So as our habit, while making any milk on chai, put it in the mouth. Okay, guys. Just I'm pausing this video to after completing this milk. I will again start. Okay, wait for just 3 minutes. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. My milk is getting ready. It will be ready in next 2 minutes. So meantime, I will introduce to you one more subject that is called charni. This is called charni in Marathi. I don't know what we call it in English. Let me. That's done. I'm done with milk making. Bye. See you in next video.